moving into our next award, which is Leading Spice Brand for Quality and Innovation. And the award goes to
Parrot Masala is committed to delivering pure, high-quality spices while prioritizing customer satisfaction. With a focus on purity, innovation and affordability, they use advanced processing technologies to preserve authentic flavors and extend shelf life. By adhering to the highest standard of food safety and hygiene, Parrot Masala builds long-term customer relationships and innovates cost-efficient supply chains across the country.
Ladies and gentlemen, हमारे अवार्ड के विजेता CMD of Parrot Masala, Mr. Vinod Agarwal के लिए जोर से तालियां बजाइए. Come on everyone, put your hands together and let's welcome sir on stage. The entire Parrot Masala team and family is on stage. एक बार Parrot Masala के लिए जोर से तालियां बजाइए everybody. Come on, put your hands together. Give them a very warm welcome. Congratulations to the leading spice brand for quality and innovation, Parrot Masala.
मैं सिर्फ इतना ही बोलूँगा, हमारा ये थर्ड जनरेशन है फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री में और ये हमारे बच्चे जो आए हैं साथ में इनका फोर्थ जनरेशन होगा और सीनियर्स गार्जियंस लोगों ने यही सिखाया है कि जो खुद खाओगे वही खिलाओ लोगों को. दैट्स ऑल.
Shukriya sir, thank you very much and congratulations on your award.